Hello everyone, welcome to Code Your Dreams. In this video, we'll be discussing about IBM internship drive. So IBM is hiring interns for project trainee role. So we will be discussing everything about this drive, like what is the eligibility criteria, what will be your roles and responsibilities after getting selected, what are the skills required and how to apply for this. So stay tuned till the end to understand everything. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And so let's start our today's video. So IBM is hiring interns for project trainee role. So your responsibilities after getting selected will be like you should have an awareness of standard open source tools for cloud development and deployment. You need to provide SOP for deployment of open source agile tools on one of the key cloud environments like AWS, GCP, IBM Cloud or Microsoft Azure. You need to provide benchmarking assessment of data integration and analytic tools and technologies between IBM Cloud, Amazon Cloud or Google Cloud. You need to provide SOP for APIs generation and management. And now the required technical and professional expertise, which means the required skills that you need to have for this position is like you should be able to conduct and be part of design thinking discussions and workshops. You should be able to work on research and analysis. You should be able to define and document customer journeys. You should be able to understand and document innovation priorities and trends for the industry. Now the preferred technical and professional expertise, like if you have completed any courses on Pluralsight, Coursera, EDX on programming or cloud or data science, artificial intelligence, then that would be a plus point. And if you are a quick starter who works with minimal direction and have exceptional consulting skills and analytical abilities for understanding customer journey, then that would also be good. And also you may need to study digital priorities for a potential client. Now the eligibility criteria, so who all are eligible for this internship drive? So a candidate with good academic record and studying either of the below like BE, BTech in computer science, electronics or mechatronics electrical background, or a candidate from ME, MTech in computer science, electronics, mechatronics or electrical branch. So if you are a candidate from these branches and these degrees, then you are eligible for this internship drive. So the work location will be Bangalore in Karnataka. This is a full-time internship. Now let's see how to apply for this. So I'll provide the link in the description. Upon clicking the link, you'll reach this site. Here you'll find a form. So first you have to upload your resume, give out your first name, last name, primary email address, experience level, areas of interest, preferred language, primary skill set, primary company, and then you have to click on no thanks, continue to apply. You can also click on join here. By clicking join, you'll receive career opportunity information from IBM. So if you are interested, then you can just click on join here. Otherwise you can just click on no thanks, continue to apply. So after clicking on this, you'll find this page. So here you'll find all the details that we have discussed, like roles and responsibilities, required technical and professional expertise, preferred technical and professional experience, required education eligibility criteria, the details about the internship like work location, full-time internship, and then you have to click on apply to job. So after clicking here, your application will be submitted. So if you are interested and you fit in the eligibility criteria, then do apply for this. That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends, and also subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.